Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about Filmora project settings, aspect ratio, vertical or horizontal project layout as far as Filmora video editing is concerned. Let me show you how. Just like so, we want to make sure we go ahead and make sure you come to the tab right there. Click on create project tab and it's going to take you right here. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to understand what aspect ratio means and how you can work around with them. You can click on more right here. You have 1:1, which is for Instagram. You have standard 4:3, you have 4:5, and you have 21:9, and then you have 3:4 business. These are different aspect ratio from the home tab right here. Now, if you want to create your Instagram aspect ratio, you can simply select on Instagram. You can see everything change right here. Now, by the time you click on create a new project right here, and it's going to load to the interface just like so, and it's going to load to the interface right here, and the details given here is Instagram layout. Now, in some cases, you may decide to change the entire aspect ratio, frame rate, as the case may be, in your Filmora project file. For that, you want to simply come to the top right here, click on file right here, then come to the project settings right here. When you click on project setting, you can see the project setting you choose from the home screen is Instagram right here. You can simply click on here and choose other options right here. And lastly, you can also come to custom size, which allow you to use different layouts. You can say 1000 by 700 layout right here. You can choose your frame rate from 23 frame rate to 60 frame rate per second. Everything depends on you. So I'm going to put this one in 30 frame rate, then go ahead and hit on OK, and boom, that is the layout settings I have right here. So you can check on your project details right here. By the time you drag in a file right here, you'll be able to see the frame rate and everything you set right here. So if I go ahead and import a file folder right here, so if I decide to import a file folder and I drag this file here, boom, and then allow it to load up right here. By the time I drag to the timeline, click on those show again and hit open, just like so. Now you will see that this particular frame rate is what I have right here, and then you are going to see the details about the project right here as the case may be. So you can see the project frame rate settings and everything right here. And this point here, you can decide to change your frame rate and project aspect ratio. Go back to file right here, and then make sure you go to another project settings right here. Then here you can decide to change to 16:9 widescreen right here, and then you can click on here to choose different kind of resolution as the case may be. You have HD, you have full HD, you have 4K resolution, you have DCI 4K resolution, and you have custom right here, which allow you to choose whatever size. If you click on custom, then here you'll be able to edit figure right here. So in this tutorial, I want to put it in 4K by default, and then go ahead and hit on OK. Then you find out that the changes has been reflected right here, and then you see the project detail settings right here. The resolution is here, frame rate is here, and the color space is here as the case may be. It's that simple. From here, you can switch from one resolution, one project setting, and other without any stress right here in your Filmora video editing software. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to navigate with Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.